In today's video, I'm going to teach you complete Claude AI setup guide. We'll walk through downloading the correct installer, getting the app onto your computer, signing in, and then exploring a couple of optional advanced settings so you can tailor Claude to your workflow. Start by going to the official Claude website and opening the download page. Choose the version that matches your operating system. On Windows, you'll typically see an .exe installer for a classic setup, and sometimes a .m6 package that works with newer Windows app packaging. If you're unsure, the .exe is a safe, familiar choice. On macOS, download the macOS build. It installs like most Mac apps. Make sure your internet connection is stable and save the file somewhere easy to find, like the downloads folder. If your browser asks you to confirm the download, verify it's from the official site and continue. When the file finishes, open it to begin installation. On Windows, you may get a permission prompt. Approve it so the installer can proceed. Follow the on-screen steps, accept the license, keep the default install location unless you have a specific reason to change it, and allow the installer to create a start menu or desktop shortcut for quick access. On macOS, open the downloaded file and drag the app into your applications folder if prompted. If your system shows a security message, follow the guidance shown to continue safely. The installer may offer to launch the app right away. Feel free to do that to move straight into setup. With the app open, sign in using your email or continue with your Google account, whichever you prefer. If you receive a verification code or link, complete that check and come back to the app to finish logging in. Once you're in, you should land on the main chat screen. This is a good moment to confirm you can start a new conversation. And if you like, pin the app to your taskbar or dock so it's always within reach. For advanced users, there are powerful optional capabilities in settings under General. Turning on computer use lets Claude help coordinate certain actions on your device, and enabling browser use allows it to interact with web pages when needed. These options are off by default. Before you switch them on, review any permission prompts carefully and consider what files, tabs, or windows might be accessible. You can toggle them off at any